Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use PhotoMath on Chromebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your browser and then download BlueStacks latest version on your Chromebook. Once downloaded, install it. And once installed, all you gotta do is open it. On opening, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. All you gotta do is complete the setup process by simply tapping on let's go. And once the process is complete, here what you need to do is go back to your browser and then type in PhotoMath APK free download. And once you do that and find the APK, all you gotta do is download it. And once download, all you gotta do now is right click on it, and once you do that, hover over open with and then select BlueStacks app handler. Once you do that, here the app will be installed automatically, and now all you gotta do is just simply launch the app by double clicking on it. And once you do that, here you'll see something like this on your screen through the BlueStacks, and then all you gotta do is complete this step as well. Tap on let's go and complete the following on-screen instructions to successfully use PhotoMath. And once that's done, you'll be able to successfully use the PhotoMath on your Chromebook. You can also see some examples by simply tapping on it, like 3x divided by 4 equals 8, and then you'll be able to see the detailed solving steps as well, and you can see as graph as well. And those are a couple of options that are available on PhotoMath, and that's basically what you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.